My name is Tina Patterson. I have had a chronic cough for at least 18 years, and this is my third session, and within the second session I'd say my cough had improved by at least 50%. In other words, I was no longer coughing, and so I have decided to proceed with these sessions until my cough is completely cleared up, and we'll see where it goes. What else would you like me to say? That's where we are right now. So I feel like, right now I don't feel the need to cough. I feel very good right now. So.
No.
Okay. With today's session, when you were working on my solar plexus, I felt a tremendous tickle in my throat. It was very annoying, quite frankly. But as that tickle started to move out and it started to release itself, I became very warm. And then as you proceeded to work on me, I became very cold, and then I became warm again. And so right now I just feel very relaxed. I feel no need to cough. I feel light. I feel light. I feel